VORs can be a hard thing to wrap your head round, but when the penny drops, it will seem simple. I'm going to try and explain it without making it more complex than it needs to be. VOR stands for Very High Frequency Omnidirectional Radio Range, which is a mouthful, so we'll just stick to VOR. You can use the VOR instrument in the cockpit to select a radial that you'd like to track. Imagine a radial as a line out from a VOR station. So for example, here I want to track the 090 radial from the station. The needle on your VOR instrument will indicate if the radial is on the left or right of your current position. If the needle is to the left of your center line, that means that the radial is on your left. If it's to the right, it's on the right. If it's in the center, you're on the radial. If you keep that needle in the center, you'll track towards the station. Every little dot that your needle is out from the center line represents 2 degrees. So, if the needle was 1 dot to the left of the center line, you would be 2 degrees to the right of your desired track. To correct this, you should fly 2 degrees to the left of your current heading. Because we selected the 090 radial, and we were to the east of the station, we will notice a little from arrow on our VOR instrument. This is because we will be tracking the 090 radial, which is coming from the station, and we will be tracking 270 degrees. If we selected the 270 radial, a 2 arrow would be displayed, as flying 270 will take us to the station. Make sure to get these the right way round, or you could end up flying in the wrong direction completely. You'll continue to follow the needle until you get over the VOR station, where the needle will become ultra sensitive and momentarily unusable. Once you pass over the station, you can continue following the needle in the same way. In our case, the from arrow will change to a 2 arrow, and we can track 270 away from the station.